Today we are looking at the Beko CFDL7914S Fridge Freezer in silver. Visit the Cool Kitchen website link in the description below this video for more information. It's easy to store the weekly shop with the Beko CFDL7914S Fridge Freezer. The water dispenser brings a little bit of luxury to your kitchen, whilst freezer guard technology means it's easy to place anywhere around your home. A cool fresh drink. The water dispenser on there, CFDL7914S, lets you enjoy a glass of cool water whenever you like. The non-plumbed design means you'll be able to enjoy drinks without plumbing it in, saving you time and money. Storage features. There, CFDL7914S has everything you need to store food for your family. The half-depth glass shelf makes it easier to store tall bottles in your fridge, whilst two salad crispers provide plenty of space for fruits and vegetables. The chrome wire wine rack means that you will be able to store bottles of wine or 2-liter soft drink bottles. Antibacterial door seals in the fridge help to prevent bacteria from forming in the fridge, keeping your food fresher for longer. The freezer compartment includes double twist and serve ice cube trays. Easy to use, you can fill them with water, leave them to freeze, and a simple twist will free them from the tray when you need them. Dynamic design, you won't struggle to fit their CFDL7914S Fridge Freezer into your home. Reversible doors mean that you can switch which way the doors open to place your appliance in a variety of places. There, freezer guard technology means that you will be able to place your fridge freezer almost anywhere. Bring home stylish cooling with the silver Beko CFDL7914S Fridge Freezer. Please consult with installation experts to carry out door reversal. Beko's freezer guard technology uses an electronic temperature control system, ensuring the freezer carries on working even when ambient temperatures plummet as low as 15 degrees Celsius. Click on the Cool Kitchen website link in the description below this video for more information and to get the cheapest price for this appliance.